That feels so good. Oh my God. Oof. I love it. It's the simple things. You understand. Okay, where are we going? Look at that. Look at all those points of interest there. I say we just keep driving for a couple hours and see what we get. There's lots of options. Look at this. All right, we're off. What a difference a good night's sleep makes. I tell you, oh man. I slept like a baby last night. And I just woke up cheerful, happy, very happy. Like happier than usual, noticeably, you know. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. That was $4 for the toll. Now I got $6 change for my laundry. I keep it all in a little cup in the back. I think I see the ocean. So I did actually have a look, and there's a spot just about 20 minutes. It seems like it's near a lake. It's flat. It has picnic tables. I don't think we can have a fire, but it's technically a provincial park. So I said we go check it out. What do you think? Oh, this camera is dying already? No! I can't believe that. Wow. It's like a half an hour of footage and the battery's shot. Alright, that's it. This is not coming on trail with me. Screw that. No way. We're actually on the Trans-Canada Trail right now. No. That is wild. I just saw a sign. Like a blaze, you know? There. Okay, it says it's right here somewhere. I don't see it. Oh wait, what's this? Yeah, this is it.
Your destination is on the left.
One picnic table. 2 picnic tables. Oh, we can't get to the water? Is that water brown? It looks brown. Oh, I know why the water's brown. It's because the soil here is very brown. This is some of the best farming area in the country. All right, well, we're home. That's the main thing. We're home for now. And it's nice. It's quiet, very quiet. But probably gonna have to run the generator because I'm gonna have to run the Starlink. Because I don't see that we got any cell coverage here. So there are a few farmers that are coming by from time to time, but not so bad. Oh yeah, look at this sunset. I gotta get shots of this. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm not sure I can take much more of this. This guy with his farm, he's dropping cow manure, and it's just, I mean, I am literally dizzy. It's getting too much. I think I'm going to see if I can find something. It's really late though, but I'm going to see if I can find something, somewhere to go for the night. I gotta go. Oh, that's better. I don't know what other chemicals. They might be putting potash and stuff down too, but oh my Lord. I was just getting sick. Like literally, it was crazy. There were people that were stopping there. They were gonna have a picnic and they're like, no, no way. Okay, I think I might have found a spot about 20 clicks away. So let's go check that out. And this next one is care of Onyx Backcountry. That's where I found it, using that app. Yep, we're home. beautiful spot. I like it. The water, it was so soothing to sleep. Anyways, moving on today. I'm thinking Cape Breton Island. It's supposed to be gorgeous there. It's about a 3-hour drive, I think. This guy's telling me how these fish come up these steps to spawn every year. And this is actually what's called a fish bridge. And it goes, as you can see, over into the little pond where we were. And I guess they come in from the ocean and they climb this bridge all the way out here to get into the lake, and then they spawn and then they go back in the ocean. How cool is that? Now they have to fight against the current, so only the strongest ones make it to the lake to spawn. This guy just explained it all to me. This is awesome. So yeah, I might just make another quick coffee and then head out. What a gorgeous spot though. I slept good. I slept till like 8:30. I slept a full 9 hours, 10 hours. But that's okay, that never hurt anybody. Okay, we're off. Woohoo! Cabin trail. Nice. Okay, we're entering Cape Breton. Fresh spring water for free. I gotta take it. Canada, best water in the world, bar none. Okay, there's supposed to be a pretty nice spot just up here. I want to go have a look at it, or at the very least just stop and regroup and see where I am. I'm not far from the ferry, that's the problem, and there's a massive freshwater lake here, so let's check it out. It says it's right here somewhere. Oh, yep, there it is. Oh yeah, hello! Woohoo! We're home. Big W for Wakuma. This is gorgeous, man. This is awesome. Picnic tables. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get set up.